met Dr. Berger on a lovely May afternoon, and where did we go, Bill? To Clyde's.
They had a seminar. Sure.
And it was the best day of our life. The procedure started a year ago to have 3 permanent teeth put in the back. And frightening at first, but the doctor made me so comfortable because he explained every step and what was going to happen. And being the age I am, I just said maybe I shouldn't be doing this, but he made me feel, hey, you can do it, and I did it. And I'm very happy with it. After having a bridge put in, I couldn't eat, and I was not a social person after that, and I'm very social. I didn't want to smile, and all the normal things, and Dr. Berger changed my life.
I had 2 missing teeth, and I thought I might lose some more in the future, and I'd like to get those put in permanent. But there was no problem. I still had enough that I could function, and my procedure was 2 permanent teeth. It was nothing in particular, and I have enjoyed them for a week now. They fit very well. But I found Dr. Berger to be efficient, thorough, and take his time with his patients, and it amazed me that I felt very comfortable with him, and I felt as if I could recommend him to anybody.